work we do today will actually enable our tomorrow. Today's transformation will actually power tomorrow's resilience. Agility is not optional, it's survival. And you saw all the fascinating innovations yesterday with agentic AI, how Joule is spreading across the enterprise. But it's also something where we know this is not the reality for all of you yet. But you can be assured we will be at your side every step of this journey to make that a reality what you have seen yesterday. And I can promise you, it's our goal every single day to serve you better for your needs. We know that our customers have a tremendous impact on the global markets. And in fact, our RISE with SAP customers represent a significant total of the global economy. And one of the things where we are excited to announce today, that we evolve our RISE with SAP methodology to cover the SAP Business Suite. So we go from fit to standard to fit to suite. Today's keynote is all about customers, actually. And that's the reason I recommend that we hear directly from them how they transformed, how they leveraged our technology to basically take the next step in that transformation.
We are the inventors of the car, so we have lots of very talented and curious engineers in the organization, and they're always looking at me like, okay, what can I do with AI? So I'm really looking forward to leveraging all what SAP RISE offers, and Joule, and other cases by SAP.
2025 will be the year of productive use of value from AI, and that's something where everybody is looking forward to. We want to make it easy for you to embrace AI with our embedded AI scenarios. But what is also mentioned here is data, and we will come to that and how central that is and how we want to help you with our services to overcome the data challenges in your organizations as well. And for sure, while the embedded AI scenarios drive a significant value already for all of you, it's also clear that you want to differentiate. You have custom-specific ideas about how to leverage AI to differentiate in the market. And we want to enable that with our customer innovation services, leveraging Joule Studio, leveraging the Gen AI on the AI foundation, that you can differentiate in your business. And that's the reason why I'm super proud to announce a new partnership with AWS, which will establish a dedicated AI co-innovation program, a fund to support the definition, building, and deployment of Gen AI apps on the BTP tailored for cloud ERP workloads using the capabilities and models of AWS.
We are entering now the age of AI, agentic AI. So the challenges to make everything work together will exponentially become harder. And what customers need, therefore, is to go back to integrated business processes, especially in an uncertain business environment. And therefore, an integrated, harmonized enterprise foundation is the key. And that's the reimagined SAP Business Suite that is actually data-driven, that is AI-powered, and that can democratize the access to business AI. I'm convinced that this will then truly unlock the next wave of productivity, and the time is now.
One of the things that I think we as a customer community are going to need to get our arms around is how do we get this data that's in these amazing SAP systems unlocked so we can drive a really important business decisions. And then finally, it's got to be about collaboration and partnerships. Every single one of us in this room rely on you, rely on the partner community to bring this all together, and that's incredibly important.
There's amazing power actually when customers learn from each other, I believe, and we learn from them. And there's also power when customers use the SAP Business Suite. They can truly reinvent themselves.
Our business is a very capital-intensive business, lots of heavy equipment, growing very, very fast. The industry really hadn't embraced digital and all the operations you need to move that fast. The leadership team really wanted to reimagine how we do business. We selected SAP Grow, all best practice implementation, to replace every system in the entire company. So it was a huge lift. We actually went live within 8 months. We've returned millions and millions of dollars back into the business. Our profitability, utilization's up. We have some other AI models as well that are embedded in there, and we've just scratched the surface there.
When you think of Mars snacking construct, we have the big Mars Wrigley confectionery business, but we also have a division that's housing those high growth acquisitions like True Fruit, Nature's Bakery, and Kind. And then I also have a retail business. So when you think about our digital strategy and also the architecture that needs to be there to enable these businesses, it has to be more global, it has to be more standard, it definitely has to be able to scale, but it also has to be easier for those acquisitions to easily plug in and pull capability from the bigger businesses. We're using the public cloud to house, True Fruit first, then Nature's Bakery, now Kind. For my retail business, we've deployed a retail-specific RISE instance that will run the M&M stores, but also be fit for purpose when Hotel Chocolat's ready to go. That three-tier model, it allows us the agility for the smaller businesses like Kind. So it's working out really well, and SAP and RISE are really being a massive partner, helping us do that fast and do that at a lower total cost of ownership.
What we have done is take this model-driven approach all the way from our business capabilities, business processes, data, applications and technology, and put those models in the SAP Business Suite, and that helped us to build a cleaner platform for future, which is resilient. I wanted to take a minute here to specially thank SAP for your vision and making AI a reality for your customers.
I have a lot of empathy for the complexity that you all face, and I've seen the other side. And I also know what our products can do. We are in the midst of a transformation, and probably all of you are as well. But this transformation is full of opportunity, and I believe the best is yet to come.
We certainly have huge ambitions with this integrated tool chain to drive actually value in 4 distinct dimensions. We want to reduce the cost of transformations. We want a faster time to business value. We want to increase the business agility, as I mentioned. As well, we want to see faster continuous innovation adoption. We bring all of these assets together to structurally and systematically help you drive these transformations along all of the dimensions, and we are not stopping here. What is also important for me, we don't do that alone. We do that together with our dear partners. And we have 14 validated and certified partners for RISE with SAP in the Validated Partner Program, which are equipped with this technology, with this tooling and methodology, that you get the value out of your SAP solutions. But we also want to constantly evolve how we service you.